So we are at the Dollar Tree getting some treats, some goodies for the movies. I'm with my coworkers and she's pregnant. Just kidding, guys. It is the fake belly. With haters. Does anyone want a chocolate? Like, really? Who opens candies? I don't do that stuff. Can I help you? So we're just some goodies.
Someone help me find these damn gummy bears.
Girl. I don't know where they're at.
Well, I don't want this one.
She's a Publix girl. Right here, girl. Lifesaver.
No.
So this is where we're eating. I've heard of this place. My boyfriend used to come here for lunch. He said he loved it. And my first time. Can't wait. And yes, we are all in our scrubs from work. We literally left work and like came to eat and have fun. Oh, it's just, this is the menu, y'all. I don't know what to get. Yes. So I ordered a clear soup and I got, wait, what is in the soup? Sorry guys, my Canon camera don't zoom. But it's kind of brown. Hey y'all, so this is what I got. I got some steak, some fried rice, some clear soup. Lucy got her spicy shrimp roll, chicken bowl, and we don't know what she got. I don't care. I'm just kidding. She got sushi and 2 bowls of fried rice because this girl is from New York and they eat, girl. I'm just kidding. Sorry, New Yorker fans out there. But yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to eat steak. I'm gonna try a shrimp roll for the first time. I've never had this. What is this called? Like, is it like, what's that thing called? Is it sushi? Okay, I've never tried it because, you know, y'all girl like tortillas. We don't eat these, but I'm gonna show you guys my reaction. That's good. Girl, hurry up. Are you taking a shit?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This girl. But literally, it's been like 20 minutes, you guys. Just kidding. She hasn't like came out the bathroom. Ew. Like literally, in different places. Literally like 30 minutes from each other. So we all just went on separate cars. My friend Kalani's in the front. My sister's in the back. I don't know if you can see her. Sorry guys, I'm driving. But yeah, we're driving to the movies now. We just had lunch. Our friend Taylor didn't come because she had to go back to her house and her place and take out her dog and everything. For all you dog moms, you would understand. Like, I understand because I have a dog too. And today I actually had to tell my boyfriend to oh my beep there. I had to tell my boyfriend to take the day off, so he could take care of the dog, you know what I mean? But yeah. That's my sister, you guys. She's driving so close to me, bro. So she's putting her belly on. Yep. We're here, ladies. What's up, girl? Got me some popcorn. Got me a mojito. Just kidding, you guys. Just kidding. I don't know if y'all can see this, but they're over there enjoying themselves. This girl. So we just watched Annabelle. Sorry, guys. Tired. Okay.
Tired. Ready to pop.
Let's see the final revelation. Oh my god. Hey guys. This is my Ferrari. Hi baby, I'm home. So this is how I end my night. I'm a little puppy. Hi.